Hey guys, welcome back to another Queen Forum video. In today's video, we're talking about US Mobile. Yes, guys, US Mobile. They have changed a couple things. They've gotten more competitive, and some new stuff is finally out for them. So, let's get into it. And I'll talk more about it. But it says US Mobile undercuts visible with new prices. Begins AT&T Network beta testing. So, yes, guys, the two big prepaid, I'll say, kind of Verizon carriers is of course Visible Mobile and US Mobile. And I don't know why my voice sounds raspy, but I don't know why my beard looks at it, but but basically yes, Visible Mobile. My wife currently is using it, and then US Mobile I'm currently using it. So I use. Well, so let's say we have both. Both of them are very very good, guys. But with US Mobile finally kind of undercutting Visible Wireless, it seems like Visible is it's starting to get left a little bit behind, especially with some of the offerings and all that good stuff. But let's get into it. It says US Mobile has once again made major changes to its platform, and they sure are. The multi-network MVNO. So that's another thing is US Mobile, unlike Visible Wireless only uses Verizon. US Mobile uses Verizon, T-Mobile, and you'll see now AT&T, which is the third network. So it kind of reminds me of Google Fi. Has alerted its unlimited plans to match. Has altered its unlimited plans to match and undercut Visible by Verizon's prices. So before it was Visible, they did lower their plans, and Visible was the cheaper route to go with. But now US Mobile looks like they kind of came in there and lowered the prices, which is pretty good. I personally think US Mobile is a little bit better, but I don't know, because they offer perks and stuff. But it says it's two monthly unlimited plans. Got price haircuts to $25 a month and $44 a month, down from $29, which was this part, and $44 down from $50. So $6 savings there, which is not bad at all. Here, and then a $4 give or take there. So it says each plan has also price decreased. Now, a thing that I believe Visible does do that US Mobile does not is Visible does include taxes and fees. So it's pretty close match now, really. It says each plan also has price decrease on the prepaid annual options. Of course, US Mobile does have annual plans where if you get it for a year, you get a bigger discount on it. Says the plans are now $22.50 a month and $32.50 a month when prepaid for annually, down from $23 and $37. That's big savings. In contrast, Visible by Verizon monthly plans are priced at $45 a month and $25 a month, and their prices are reduced to $22.95 a month and $32.95 a month when prepaid for annually. So yeah, I guess Visible does do annual as well. However, not all plan changes are positive. Ooh. Multi-line discounts eliminated. That's a little, because that's the whole reason, honestly, that I have US Mobile. Now, of course, I'm grandfathered into an older plan, but this was the reason you get family plan, guys. So yeah, but I guess it's cheaper now. I don't know. And unlimited flex annual plan prices have gone up. So it says MVNO's unlimited flex plan, which includes 10 gigabytes of premium data, is now $17.50 a month when prepaid for annually, up from $15. So price increase does come with an extra perk. Customers get to use 5 gigabytes of data for hotspot. Under the old price model, hotspot costs an additional $30 annually, or an average of $2.50 more a month. So you get some. This is effectively a price increase for customers that don't use hotspot, which is suspect is most customers, which I suspect. Jesus. The plan also previously included international calling, but now that's a $36 annual charge. Ooh. Says the two flagship unlimited plans no longer offer multi-line discounts. Boo! This is a big hit for US Mobile, but I guess they are undercutting their prices, so maybe that. This only impacts a premium plan price at $44 a month. Under the old model, customers with 3 or more lines get the plan for $40 a line per month. Pricing on the base $25 a month unlimited plan is cheaper than before with or without the multi-line. So like I said, they kind of, you know, they lower the price, so it's like $4 more a month, which is still not bad. The $25 base unlimited plan also no longer includes international calling. It's a $36 a year add-on. The 1 gigabyte of international roaming data has also been eliminated from the plan. It says US Mobile subscribers unhappy with the plan change will not be forced to upgrade to the updated ones and can be grandfathered into their old ones. So that's what I like. So beta testing for AT&T. This is a long been a thing that you know, US Mobile customers have been wanting. I don't know why. I'm happy with the Verizon network, but it could be that, you know, AT&T is better in your area. No, everybody lives in the same, you know, geographic area. So also manual network switching alive for all. That's a big thing that I will tell you. We'll get into it. It says, in addition to the price changes, US Mobile has officially launched beta testing of its Star network, which offers service using AT&T. The network should become available to all users around July 15. So not maybe 3 weeks away. US Mobile's teleport manual network switching tool has also exited beta. The tool, which allows subscribers to manually change what network they are using on demand, launched as a beta test in early May. US Mobile now refers to this tool on its website plan called as network transfer. So free network transfers are allowed on its flagship unlimited plan, but for all other plans, it costs $2 per network transfer. The maximum of 8 network transfers are allowed per billing cycle, and only 1 transfer is allowed every 3 hours. The only other MVNO I'm aware of that allows customers to manually change their network as needed is Red Pocket Mobile. However, when you change networks with Red Pocket Mobile, your billing cycle and data allotment resets, which is not the case with US Mobile. So, US Mobile operates on the Verizon and T-Mobile network. As soon the AT&T network, customers will be able to use a switch tool as needed to go between all 3 networks. So basically, guys, let's say you go into an area and you're using the Verizon network on US Mobile, but it's very congested. You could switch it to the T-Mobile network, and you know, T-Mobile, if you're in a big city, does have blazing fast 5G speeds. So boom, that can work out. And when you're going to the country, let's say the countryside, and T-Mobile sucks, you can switch over to the Verizon network and get that boost, which is really cool. I like this feature. It makes US Mobile a more attractive company to be with. So pretty cool. Not a lot of carriers are doing this. Share data plans, and I don't want to really talk about it too much. It says US Mobile's venture capital fund has helped them grow to nearly 500,000 subscribers, almost 1 million, which is amazing, guys. Like I said, I use US Mobile, and they even have a free trial, so I definitely would recommend them. They're a great company. I've never had issues with them. Fast, reliable speed, and their customer service is fast and promptly. So yeah, check them out, guys. Thanks for watching. Please comment, rate, subscribe. Let me know in the comments below, what do you think? Does this make you want to switch over to US Mobile now that you know that you can switch between currently 2 networks, Verizon and T-Mobile, but soon 3 networks, which is Verizon, AT&T, and T-Mobile, which is pretty nice. So thank you for watching, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe. More videos coming your way. Check out the description below for more videos and ways to support the channel. Thank you so much.